What's going on, YouTube? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today's video, I was supposed to be recording part 2 of the building series on the S4. In the previous video you guys saw, I was installing the heat exchanger on the car. I'll show a clip of it right here. And so if you guys haven't watched that, go and check it out right now, because we are building this car to 500 horsepower and we are going to get it there somehow, some way. But in today's video, I was supposed to record part 2 of me installing and putting the heat exchanger on the car. I'll show a clip over here of where I left off, and I kind of mounted the heat exchanger onto the car. Yeah, boy. Unfortunately, I cannot show you guys part 2 of the video.
Why?
It's been a week. Everything is installed already. The car is running perfectly fine. So yeah, guys, the install went real smooth and everything works well. In this moment, I am driving the car. As y'all can see, I'm gonna do a little pull for you guys right here. The AC is on. The car is running real good, you guys. Adding the bigger heat exchanger really made a difference, you guys, because the car is running much cooler. I can now do more pulls than I was able to do before, and the car is just running perfectly, you guys. Now I want to talk to you guys about why is it that we are not uploading part 2. The reason why is because somehow I lost the footage, and by losing the footage, what I mean is I somehow deleted all the footage. I don't even know how. I don't know what happened. So you guys won't get a part 2 of me installing the heat exchanger. But what I will do is show you guys what the heat exchanger looks like in the front of the car, and maybe I'll show you guys a few clips of me just doing hard accelerations and yeah, just doing a bunch of pulls on the car. Right now, I'm driving to an undisclosed location because, you know, it's actually Mexico. Okay guys, so before we get to doing some pulls, I want to show you guys what the heat exchanger looks like at the front of the car. You can't really see it that much. I have to get a new grill. Now I don't know if I want to get a different grill because I think this one looks really good. But what I want to do now, guys, is put this car in park and I want to show you guys what it looks like at the front. So here we go. Okay, so first of all, that's what the heat exchanger looks like at the front. As you guys can see, the heat exchanger looks really good. It is perfectly aligned on both sides. Now the angles kind of throw it off a little bit, so you guys can't really see that well. But anyways, you guys, the fans are running right now because the AC is on. But that's what the car looks like. I don't know if I want to go with an open grille in the future. We'll see about that. I think the car looks awesome the way it is right now. It gets enough cooling and it gets the job done, you guys. As you guys can see, the car is running real smooth, and we'll now show you guys some clips and some pulls. I might be able to make it happen here. We'll see if I don't get kicked out or somebody calls the police on me. But I just want to get a few clips before I get out of here. So let's make it happen, you guys. Alright guys, so that was the best I could get on this road. It is a tiny road. You can only go 15 miles an hour. I have to get out of here before I get the cops called on me or something. There it is. She's a beauty. She's working just fine. And we'll get back on the road right now. Now we'll show you some clips from the inside. Alright, here we go. Yeah, buddy. It is Michael approved. Yeah, buddy. She sounds amazing, you guys. Now, I would argue, you guys, that this is the best sounding V6 on the internet. So, if you guys haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button and hit the like button. Turn on post notifications so you guys can get notified whenever I upload. So pause the video right now, go ahead and do that, and then come back to the video, you guys. Now let's see if we can find a straight road so I can show you guys me doing a full pull on this car. So yeah guys, this is my review on just adding a heat exchanger to your car. It makes the biggest difference because even though this car has a hot air intake, the car is performing real good even in these conditions. When it's hot, the car is taking in the hot air because as you guys saw, the intake is like wide open in the engine bay, so it's basically a hot air intake, you guys. And even with all of that, the car is performing real good, you guys, and I'm very happy with just this upgrade. And yeah, I can't wait to do the rest of the upgrades because this is real fun, you guys. I feel like the car has more power just because I added a new heat exchanger. I know that that's crazy. Maybe I added 2 or 3 horsepower more because the temps are cooler. But yeah guys, I would recommend this upgrade to anyone who's got a boosted car. So go ahead and do it. There's a 340 behind me. We'll see if he wants to have some fun. Alright guys, I really hope y'all enjoyed the few clips we were able to get of this car just doing pulls. And I think the car performed real good, you guys. Comment down below what you guys think about this upgrade, if you guys think it's something that's worth the money. If you guys really enjoyed that, please comment down below. This is where we're going to leave the video, you guys. I want to thank y'all for watching, subscribing. Please once again, hit the subscribe button. Because like I keep saying it over and over, there's more to come, you guys, and there actually is.
Are you sure about that?
We are actually upgrading this car, and I want to build this channel to a point where we're just building not only this car, but a bunch of other cars. We'll see what the future holds, but for right now, this is what we're working with. This is what we started the channel with. I am very happy that I was able to start the channel with this car. And yeah, we just gotta keep going, you guys. Thank y'all for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, and God bless.